How to see send follow request on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. Now go to account center. After that, in account settings, go to your information and permissions. Now go to download your information. After that, again select download or transfer information. Select your Instagram account, tap on next. Now go to some of your information. After that, simply select the content or the things that you want to download. That is, in order to see your send follow request, go to connections and then select followers and following. Simply tap on next and now select download to device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.